Hi friends, hope you had an awesome weekend. So for this week, for Gifted, you are going to be researching a Native American tribe. As always, your goal is to finish by Thursday with Friday as your catch-up day. So you can see the information in It's Learning, but like we've been doing for the last several weeks, your assignment is actually in the classwork section of your Google Classrooms. So if you go to your Google Classrooms, you can see Tribe Research. And what you're going to do, let me see if I can open it up nice and big. All right, so you're going to choose one of these 4 tribes to research, and you're going to use the information linked below. So there's all of this information. There's for each of the tribes, and the Inuit is one of your choices because there's a lot of information about the Inuits in this particular PowerPoint right here. But if you click on these guys, there's a lot of information. Like this is all for the Hopi tribe, and then it goes into the Inuit. And so you just have to kind of look carefully. Here's the, I'm not going to pretend to know how to pronounce that, but you'll see lots of information. Obviously, these guys are just about that one tribe, and there's some really great stuff in there. Now, you are going to be clicking on this assignment, the Native American Tribe Research, and it has the place for you to type all of your information. Obviously, tell me who you're researching. How was their nation organized? So that's kind of like what we talked about when we did our whole government lesson, where you know, they had the 5 nations that came together. They had under this constitution, so that's very much related to their government. But if you look back in where it talks about the different tribes, it will tell you how is the nation organized. Let's see, here we go. So habitat and geography. So like where did they live? What was it like? What was the land like? What was the climate like? What kind of homes did they live in? Their clothing and their dress, their food and their diet, which you may want to include, you know, how they actually get that food and why. You know, what about their geography and climate make that type of food available? And then 5 interesting facts. When you are finished, you'll be able to go, yours will look a little bit different, but you'll be able to go over to the side and click the turn in button. Now, this week you're learning about an existing tribe, but next week you will be creating your own tribe. So kind of start thinking about some ideas. If you're starting from scratch, how can you piggyback on maybe some of the stuff that you learned about this tribe? So I can't wait to see your awesome research. I hope you enjoy going more in depth about a particular tribe. Hope to see you at our morning meetings.